Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery health decreasing fast after update. If you are using any iPhone, it's facing the issue that your iPhone's battery health is draining very fast after updating iOS. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to try to use the original iPhone charging adapter and also original charging cable. Avoid to use any third party or any copied charging adapter and cable. And after exchanging your charger, you just have to simply open your settings here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending update here, just simply try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to battery section, go to charging, and you just have to try to enable optimized battery charging to help to maintain your battery health. And after doing that, you have to simply go back. You have to also make sure that avoid to use your iPhone when it's on charging. When your iPhone is charging, you just have to avoid to use this. And after, you have to also make sure that you are not using your iPhone in any heating temperature. When your iPhone overheat, just try to cool it down. And you have to also go to your battery section, then go to battery health. You have to keep in mind that your battery health is not less than 80%. If you read that your iPhone's battery is less than 80%, so I recommend you have to try to change it with a new battery. So it will help you to maintain battery health, because when your iPhone battery decrease below 80%, so it is not recoverable, so it's useless. You can try to change your iPhone battery to get extended battery life and extended battery health. So I hope it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.